Good morning, students. Yesterday we have studied how Rima and her friend teased Malti, and they were having a plan to jeer Malti while she starts singing. But they did not dare to do that. Why? Because there were absolute silence in the hall, and they have fear that they were surely to get caught. So here we will start and we will continue our what happened next. We'll see. We'll continue the lesson. When the Malti finished, the principal was the first one to start clapping, followed by the teacher and student. See here, Malti has sang beautifully. She had a melodious and well-trained voice. So she finished her song and principal was the first started clapping, and afterward teachers and students started clapping. Why? Because she sang so melodiously. See next. No one was surprised when Malti won the first prize. Here no one was surprised because she had a beautiful voice. Rima did come first in her category. Somehow she felt no joy. See here, Rima sang in a English category and Malti sang in a Hindi category. So in Hindi category, Malti stood first. Malti won the prize. In English category, Rima won the prize. But here Rima didn't felt joy. She felt no joy. Why? Because the Malti got the prize and this thing she didn't like Rima, and so she did not feel joy that she won the prize. Then also she did not felt any no joy. Continue. As the term progressed, it was abundantly clear to all that Malti was a bright child. She was quite studious and intelligent. She fared well in sports as well as in studies. Her forte was mathematics. Her simple appearance belied a sharp and a nimble brain. Slowly, many of the girls began seeking her help in mathematics, help which they readily and cheerfully gave. The teacher had liked the respectful, intelligent girl from the beginning. Now, girls from the class also befriended her. See here what happened as the term progressed. It was abundantly means extremely clear. That is the exactly clear to all that Malti was a bright child. She was quite and studious and intelligent, and she is good in sports also. Her forte was mathematics. Forte means here forte meaning something that a person can do well. So she is good in math subject mathematics. Her simple appearance, Malti's appearance is simple appearance. Two plaits, she puts oil on hair, then bindi on forehead because she came from the village. And simple appearance belied a sharp. Belied a sharp means hide something, as she is a good, smart and intelligent, but because of her appearance means outer appearance, how she doesn't look smart like Rima, and that her sharpness and a nimble brain. Nimble means quick and light in a movement, means she is good in maths, she is good in singing, she is good in sports. Then also because of her simple appearance, that is hiding all these qualities, hided because of their simple appearance. Slowly many of the girls began seeking her help in mathematics. So many girls go ahead to went to her for taking help for mathematics, help which she readily and cheerfully give. So here Malti ready to give and cheerfully means she is readily give help. Whatever help want anyone, she readily help the students or the girls. The teachers had liked the respectful, intelligent girl from the beginning. So teacher like a respectful girl. She is a respectful, giving respect to everyone, and she is friendly with all the class girls. Now girls from the class also befriended her. Here the meaning befriended means to make a friend or become a friendly with. So she makes friend with friend Continue. Not Rima and her clique though. See, Rima and her clique. Clique means what? Clique means a small closed group of people or a friend who do not readily allow others to join them. Means clique. Rima's clique means Rima's group. That is our best friend group, and they don't want to take anyone they don't want to add any other girl in their group. That is the Rima's clique. Clique means a small close group of people or a friend who do not readily allows other to join in them. The stubbornly disliked Malti. They stubbornly dislike Malti means not to change. Stubbornly means not to change one's attitude. Means they don't want, they dislike Malti, they don't love Malti, did not like Malti. Stubbornly means they don't want to change their attitude. At from beginning they were having the attitude, they dislike Malti. Why? Because Malti was not a smart girl. There were a stylish lot, and nothing that Malti did could alter the fact that she was not their type, and because of these things she was not a stylish girl, and her appearance was very simple because they did not like Malti. They never lost a chance to poke fun at her, particularly her English. So here is the problem with Malti, that she can't speak fluent English, and that they to poke fun at somebody. To poke fun at her means what? To make someone seem stupid by making jokes about them in a laughing and unkindly. So they were, whenever she speaks English, she starts speaking English, they laugh at her and they were making fun of her. That is the meaning of to poke fun at her, particularly her English. Continue. Malti felt bad about their behavior. One day, she was on the verge of tears when Rima mocked at her mercilessly because she said ask instead of ask. See here, what is here? That instead of saying ask, Malti said ask. See here, she was in the verge of tears. Verge, what is the meaning of verge? The edge or a border of something. Means she was crying. She was in the edge of crying, and that time when Rima mocked at her mercilessly. See, a mocked meanings tease or laugh at in a scornful manner. So laugh at her. Mercilessly means without showing any sympathy. Though she is crying, she doesn't without feeling. She was not having any sympathy about Malti. Why? Because she uttered the word instead of ask, she said ask. Her voice trembling, Malti said, I know my English is weak, yours is good. Please, will you help me to improve it? See here, Malti, her voice was trembling. Trembling means, here the meaning trembling means shaking. And she said that, I know my English is not that much good. My English is very weak, and yours is good. You are good in English. So please, will you help me to improve my English? So what Rima said here? I won't be able to help you, my dear, replied Rima with an exerted accent. Speaking proper English isn't easy for you countrified type. See how the Rima replied. She said that I won't be able to help you. It means I will not help you. She is not ready to help Malti. And what she said, she replied Rima replied with an exerted accent. Exerted means to make something seem bigger than it is. So she said English is a very difficult language and it is not easy for you to learn. So I will not help you in that. Speaking proper English isn't easy for you countrified type. Speaking proper English, it is not easy for you. And you countrified, here the meaning countrified means you are from the rural area, so it is not easy for you to speak. Okay, so here we have finished the next page of this lesson, and tomorrow we will finish the lesson and read the lesson once again. Thank you.